COUNTIF is a bit easier to understand. It looks at a range of cells and tells you how many cells meet the criteria you put in. Let me show you. If I want to see how many numbers here are values less than 30, I would type equals COUNTIF, put in a parenthesis. I would select this range because that's what I wanted to look at. Then put in the criteria with the quotes and comma like before. So I put in a quote, a comma, and then a quote, and put less than 30. Keep in mind we did greater than 30 before. Put another quote, and put in a parenthesis. Now we press enter, and it said 6. We could double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. It's right. Now, these functions are very useful when you have larger pieces of data, and obviously if you have a larger piece of data, it would be very difficult to go through it. You're just checking to show you that it works. Next is the count function. Keep in mind that this only works with numerical data. This function counts how many cells in a range you select actually has any numerical content. To use this, type equals count open parentheses, select your range, and I'm gonna select this and press enter after the closing parentheses. I see 9. It says 9 cells in the range that I selected has content. You could count it to make sure that it's right. This number identifies how many cells in this range has any numerical content. Now, counta does the same thing as the count function, but it only works with non-numerical data. If I wanted to see how many cells in a column have non-numerical content, I would type equals counta, messed up there, but it's okay. Put in a parenthesis, select the range. I'm going to select this. The closing parentheses and press enter. It says 10 cells have non-numerical content, which is true. You can count it if you want to, but it's right. Count blank counts the number of blank cells in the range you select, whether it be numerical, non-numerical, or both letters and numbers. For this, type equal count blank, open parentheses, select your range, and follow with closing parentheses and press enter. You will see the number of blank cells in the range you selected. It said I have 3 blank cells. We could count it, but it's right. The average function finds the average of the values in the cells of the range you select. Choose a cell to display the average. I choose this one. Type equals average, open parentheses, and then select your range. I want the average of the totals. And then put in the ending parentheses and press enter. This is the average. If you have any blank cells in the range you selected, like I did, the function will ignore them. But if you have zeros, the function will include them. If I had typed in zeros in these blank spots, the number would be different because they would be included in the average. But no, I don't need those. So it's about 35.